Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steve. Oh, wait, no, Sam's not
I don't
here.
know if Sam's here.
Sam's gone. Steven, I feel like you're so far away from me. If you're watching the stream and get the joke, yeah. There's a big gap between us, you know? It's
There
me,
is.
and then it's you, and it's very depressing. But yeah, so today we got a very interesting topic. This is really exciting. So, as you know, as some of you know, MIT Media Lab is the creator of Scratch. And Scratch, obviously, as everyone knows, is a big programming language for beginners and for kids and for adults. And MIT just released another new coding app called Octo Studio. It's for mobile, which is interesting. There's not a lot of mobile coding apps, so it's cool that they're coming out with one.
Yeah.
Obviously, as you kind of saw in the thumbnail, and by the name, their mascot is an octopus. And as you should see on, I'm moving us down. Okay, now we're in the middle. There we go. I moved us down. Now it's better. But yeah, I like the colors. I like the design choice. And yeah, so here's a little demo. Don't copyright us. Let me turn off the music in case there's any. So yeah, so it's really cool. So they're all mobile games. Kinda a scratchy feel, right? It's a visual programming language. But there's all different new things just for mobile. So as you see, there's kind of like a sprite creator here. And a lot of the blocks, like I said, look like Scratch. And there's also motion sensors, which is really cool. We never had that in Scratch. So as I kind of saw, it's not a replacement, but it is a good alternative and better for some people to use this tool because it's mobile, right? It's meant for mobile, where Scratch you really can't use on a mobile device. So I'm excited for this. Oh, you're right, Stephen. Scratch Jr. is another very more basic one. But yeah, so it's just a whole another realm, right? So I'm excited about this. It's not run by the Scratch team. It's by MIT Media Lab, which did originally create Scratch, but then they kind of branched off and went to a new different part of the universe. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm excited. Maybe tomorrow we can hear if Sam or you too, Steven, if what you guys like about it. It's available right now on iOS and Android in more than 20 languages for free. So that's exciting. All right. What's your opinion? Oh, wait, I realized they can't hear you. I meant to fix this as soon as we switched over, but I didn't get to it. All right, they can hear you now. No, they can't. That was great. I did it so well, guys. I really know how to work this whole thing. There you go.
All right. Hi guys. Sam's not here.
Yeah, they could hear you
So-
earlier.
Oh, they could. That's great. So as I was saying before, I already have an opinion, and I think the share feature is really cool, where you can make a small little animation and then send it to somebody via iMessage or just regular messenger.
That is cool because obviously on phones, their original use was obviously calling, then iMessage, and now smartphones can do whatever. So it makes it really easy being on your mobile device to just iMessage it to someone, Discord, WhatsApp, all those apps, Snapchat. You can just send it right over. So that's a good advantage of being on a mobile device. Yeah, so very exciting. All right. Oh, yeah. So we got another pretty big topic here. KidOYO AI posted that AI Demo Day was today. So if you don't know what Demo Day is, it's not really a public event, but it's an internal KidOYO event. And normally Demo Day is a very big thing for the KidOYO team, normally for the KidOYO mentors team. I don't know who this was really for, whether it was internal mentors or student mentors. But as we've talked about, KidOYO is working on a lot of AI tools right now. And they've kind of been releasing some of them to very small groups. The mentors have been working on them. But today was Demo Day, which is where all different mentors come together and they share the projects they've been working on and how they work and all that stuff. So it just shows there's another great step being taken to get these AI tools out and to schools where they can use them and test them, and students. So we have very little information on what is actually like in these tools. At the NASDAQ bell ringing, they were advertising their AI stuff, really trying to get it out there. And I mean, it's really exciting, right? Because we talk about AI, we talk about KidOYO, and we almost have one topic, which is those two combined. So I'm really excited. KidOYO did make a community a while ago called the CAAI, which is the Center for Applied Artificial Intelligence. Then they ran like a whole not summer, like an internship for college students and high schoolers to work on AI. That ran over the summer. So we have had, cool. Yeah, really, and we've had all this news coming in, and then today we got that they had an actual demo day, meaning they must have some product that they're working on then. So really, we know they're working on product, but I meant like a finished product. They must be getting close. So I'm excited to see where that goes, and we will definitely keep you updated. This was another one. This was very exciting. Oh, we're kind of getting into a speed run here. Should we do our tech fact before I start getting into other topics? I guess I should.
I think so.
I think I should. So today's history fact was 10 years ago today, Kahoot was initially released. So, as some of you know, we're kind of Gimkit people, but, we make exceptions. Kahoot was released 10 years ago, and Kahoot is a platform it's really a fun platform where you can take quizzes and games and kind of combine them into one, and there's a leaderboard, and they throw out questions, and all of your team, all your class can join in on trying to answer them first, and whoever answers them correct and first gets the most points, and then it's the next, and the next, and the next. And as you gain points throughout the rounds, which your teacher can set the rounds, eventually at the end, there's a winner, there's 3 people on a podium, and you can all be like, haha, I beat you. Bragging rights, really. So it's a really fun platform, and 10 years ago today, they were created. All right, Steven,
Happy birthday, Kahoot.
Happy birthday, Kahoot. Steven, you got another topic for another
I do.
Fact?
So I found this today, actually. So yesterday in 2001, Apple announced the iPod, which they advertised it as having 1,000 songs in your pocket.
Whoa, I didn't know that. Yeah, that's interesting. iPods have come so far. They started just music, and then over time they then released the iPod Touch, which I know a lot of people have. Personally, I don't know why you just don't have a phone. But I think it's because they're cheaper, actually, and some of them connect to data too. So they're very cool devices. They've evolved over time. Now the iPod kind of is becoming extinct because you can just play it on your phone, play music on your phone. But I mean, that was the first real easy way to have a huge amount of songs wherever you go, and you can just play music wherever you go. You have some headphones, throw them on, and that's really how it worked. I did have one. I didn't buy it. I didn't want. It was like a hand-me-down, I guess. But yeah, so I've actually seen one in person. I know it's a hard task to do now that they're going so extinct.
I love the charging port, how big it was. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, I know. That's some not evolution, but really how it's changed over time and gotten better and better. Now, you can have those really tiny charging ports, and back then it was it took up the whole phone or device that you had. So that was kind of funny. All right. Okay, so I guess it is time for our topic speedrun. We got a bunch of great things for you. Starting off with, drum roll, please. Okay, I think it's good. Oh, wait, we had another tech fact. I forgot to say this. Club Penguin is 18 years old today. Isn't that exciting? Never got to play it. Actually, I did, but not for a long time, and I really don't remember it well. All right, so Apple event on October 30th at 5 p.m. I feel like Apple always has these events, event here, event there. It's crazy. That's in 6 days. That's the day before Halloween. We just had an event with the iPhone 15. Do you know what this event is for, Steven?
I believe it should be for the new iPad and the new Mac.
Got it. Oh, right. We had talked about the new Macs coming yesterday. They're calling it Scary Fast?
Yeah,
Not
I
Scary
have no idea what
Fest?
that means.
I was about to say Fest, but I think it's Scary Fast. Yeah, that's how they're all
Maybe
writing it.
because how fast the processing power of the new iPad and the new Mac are.
I guess that is it. I was really gonna say, wow, okay. Well, it's Scary Fast, coming the 30th of October. 5 p.m. Pacific time, which means it's going to be late here on Long Island. It's going to be about 8, which is kind of good because we can watch it at night,
After
like
TSARP.
after TSARP. We should do a live reaction. That would be
That'd
funny.
funny.
So yeah, that's exciting. Excited to see what they release there. All right, next one. Ooh, what do we want to do? Oh, we never touched on this. And Steven, thank you for bringing this up because I never, yeah, we never had really said anything about this. But we've talked about Canva in the past. Not a lot, but we have talked about it. We talk about AI almost every day. And together, boom, kind of like I hope KidOYO and AI will be, but Canva and AI together. So,
Canva AI.
Canva AI.
Canva AI.
Canva AI. There you go. We had never. I mean, I had seen it, but I had never really observed what it was. And then Steven recently logged into Canva and saw it.
Canva.
So there's a few different things that this AI can do now. Obviously, as I think kind of like all the other big AI design tools have been doing, you now have the ability to make AI images, so automatically generate, which is really cool. I haven't used Canvas too much. I have used other brands like Dolly from, OpenAI. And those tools, but it's in their whole Magic Studio. So they have a whole place called Magic Studio. It kind of sounds like Disney, Magic Kingdom.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. So I got the whole website up here. They did a whole page on it. Meet Magic Studio. All the power of AI in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI powered tools for you and your team right inside Canva. Whoa, this website's a little laggy. It's very weird on the eyes. They got a whole video here too. All the different things they have. Let's see. What are the features? Oh, right. Okay, so they got Magic Write. It can summarize things, all with this text, right? Because Canva isn't just design, or it is design, but sometimes you need text in that design. Then there's Magic Morph, as you can see here, where you can translate different images, one image into another. Then there's, so here you show how you can take this basic text, turn it into gingerbread, or cotton yarn, gold, fruit salad. So if you had this very basic looking image and you wanted to add some texture to it, you can use Magic Morph and it will turn into a whole nother thing. Of course, the background remover, they've had that for a long time. Magic Eraser, Magic Animate, which is very cool, AI animation there. And a lot of different things like Magic Grab, so you can grab things right out of images. So that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, really, like a ton of different. You can change actual things in an image with Magic Edit. So I can change this lady's shirt into a different shirt. So just stuff like this. This is all in their Magic Studio, as they call it, not Mac Studio. Totally different thing. So this is interesting. I can't wait to kind of look into this more and see what it really holds. I know Sam uses Canva a lot. Maybe we'll start using it. But yeah, really cool. All right, should we do one more here? Steven, do you want to give it to us? Let's see, what should we talk about? Oh, this is, so I started playing, I don't know, a long time ago, but I was waiting for this. Steven, do you want to tell us about Clash of Clans and Clash Royale?
Oh yeah. So, couple day like last month ago or something, I think uh what's their Supercell released Clash Royale on the computer. And now I'm like, wow, that's really cool. When's Clash Royale coming to the computer? And to like my surprise, I saw today that they announced Clash Royale's now on the computer too, which I think's super awesome.
Yeah, I don't know when I started playing. Maybe it was like 2020. I started playing Clash Royale. No, Clash of Clans, and then I got into Clash Royale. And I was always like, is there a way to play on my computer? Because I had just gotten a new computer. I was like, I don't want to be on my phone. I want to be on my new computer. But there wasn't. But now there is, which is really cool. And Clash of Clans is actually, and Clash Royale are both very competitive esports games, which I always thought was weird that they have it on an iPad or a phone. So
Yeah.
now, yeah, so now you can change, now you can do it on a computer, which, I don't know, it kind of fits the vibe of esports a little more. And I think that's pretty cool. Steven, have you downloaded it yet?
No, I haven't. I was pretty busy before TSARP, so I haven't had the chance to get well, I lost my words.
Get it installed?
Yeah, I haven't had a chance to look on how to install it, first of all.
Yeah, I haven't either. I haven't played in a long time. Probably since it wasn't like 2020, probably like 2022. So it's been a long time, but maybe this will bring me back into the game. And I'm excited to see kind of like how this changes the game. Will people become better now that there's really like crazy players that are really, really
Yeah.
good? Will there be more now? So who knows? But I'm excited. All right, it's time for the new game of the day. New day, new game. I was trying to come up with a catchphrase there for the segment, and some kid in my English class said that. I don't know why, not relating to TSARP. But new day, new game. So what game should we
New
play
game, new day.
today? New game, new day, new day, new game. Also, again, we mentioned this yesterday, but if anyone wants us to play their game, all you need to do is join the Discord. We already had a bunch of people joining to play. But if you want to play, or if you want to give us a game to play, all you need to do is send it in the chat, or what you can do is you can join the Discord server and send it in general. So we love playing people's games, do it on TSARP all the time. Sometimes play our own games, but today it is that time of the day. So, Steven, do you want to give us a game? Do you have anything you're working on? Oh, wait, sorry to cut you off, even though you didn't start talking yet. In brackets. In brackets, I was supposed to mention this. It's ending. Mr. Farrar was like, "You're gonna mention in brackets?" Yeah. So the final round is coming. I lost, guys. I know it's very sad. Can you believe I lost? I can believe I lost.
I'm kind of sad you lost.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was gonna be like a last round turnaround or something like that. Nope, I lost. Sam beat me. So the final round is going to be Sam versus what was the final game? Why can't I think of this?
I think it's Monday Night Football.
Oh, yeah, I think you're right. Can I pull it up? Yeah, here we go. So as you can see, here is the final polls. Monday Night Football beat Trick or Treat, and Blown Back beat Fall Back. So, very sad.
Wow.
All right, it is time for the games. Gotta play them. So, Steven, do you have a game for us?
I do. It's not even close to being finished. See, so on the topic of Clash Royale and Clash of Clans, Mr. Farrar gave me a challenge of making Hatch Royale,
Mm.
which as you can see, it's still it's going somewhere. That's all I can
It's
say
going
about it.
somewhere. Yeah, because Mr. Ferrara started this, didn't he?
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, and I remember this was like last year, as you can see, February 2023. This year, last school year, I keep doing that. But yeah, so this was last school year, and also, yeah, here in the fork history, Mr. Ferrara had started it. He got pretty far, but just couldn't complete it. So now we got Steven tried to complete it, and here we go. This is Hatch Royale. And let's see, you ready? I mean, it goes with today's topic. All right, so we
If
got.
I remember correctly, the Oyo bot's the only one that works.
All right, OyoBot works.
Oh no, the dragon works. He just moves to the center and then stops. I don't know why though.
Got it. All right, so OyoBot. Oh, I don't have enough, but the dragon you said kind of works. Okay, here comes the dragon. Is he gonna blow it up? Oh, well, he's stuck in the middle. Well, there you go. All right, I gotta save up for the OyoBot. This is quite something. The music, as you guys can hear. I hope it's not too loud. Maybe I should bring that down. It's very, very Clash Royale. It's from Clash Royale. I mean, the timer's working too. Oh, there's a volume control. Thank you for adding that in. I didn't realize that was there.
It's a feature I put in almost every game I make.
This is very good. Some people don't do it, and then my ears blow up. But okay, here goes the OyoBot. Oh no, he's going real fast. He's going real fast. Is it gonna blow up? Phew. Wow, Red King HP. Oh, I got him. I got him. He's at 90 now. All right. If I get to 0, will he actually lose? Like, will he die?
No, he starts going to the negative after that.
Oh.
And then the health bar starts changing colors because the script for the health bar, it changes colors with the variable.
Got it. Well, this game seems really close to being done. It's actually pretty good right now. Obviously, you're not going to create the menu and all that stuff. Just the basic gameplay is all we need, and that's looking real cool right now. So maybe one day, guys,
In this game.
maybe we'll get it done. So yeah, so this is really cool. And where did Mr. Farrar leave off? Maybe we should play Mr. Farrar's version. Here it is. This is the original project. I can see inside. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll show my hatch skills and show everyone how good I am. Okay. There's your laugh for the day. So the timer doesn't even work. So you fix that. We got no volume control, no music. But let's see. So does the OyoBot work? OyoBot's 3. Let's see. Will it explode? No, so it just goes over there and he doesn't lose any health. So yeah, so you did a lot of work to this to get it to where it is, and I feel like it's almost there. So hopefully, maybe by the 200th episode, we're getting close. We should really plan something. Yeah, we're getting close. I got us some good ideas. And yeah, I'm excited. I was thinking of a joke. We should. Hey, by the way, TSARP now fall. We have a TSARP episode on April Fool's this year. Last year it wasn't. This year we do. We should plan like some. What was I gonna say? We should
not do TSARP on April Fool's, and then come back on April 2nd and be like, April Fools, you thought we were gonna do an episode.
But then we'll break our streak. That doesn't work.
No, it's April Fools.
Got it.
April Fools, we didn't break the streak.
April Fools, you thought we did, but it was April Fools, and everyone knows that April Fools doesn't count. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. By the way, I was trying to convince some people to buy the merch as a joke. You know, it was after school, and I saw some coding club members. But that reminded me that I still haven't updated the website. So, yeah, so it's the last chance you got. I'm not even, I should probably actually send the link. I was going to joke, I'm not going to send the link, but I should probably send the link. So here's the link. I've sent it in the chat if anyone wants to buy the merch while it's still up. Most of it will stay up, just the limited edition stuff. So here you go. Here's the link I sent. Oh, that's the wrong link. That's my side. When you realize you sent the wrong link. All right, here we go. This is the right link. Yep, perfect. So you all can play it. The really great to play it. You all can buy it because it's great merch. All right, we will see you tomorrow.
I want to play the merch.
4:30. Bye.
Bye, guys.